Your purpose-driven career is closer than you think. The trick is to already step into the shoes of the business owner that you want to be and let that future self rule today. If you want to create a life where you can work, live, and travel on your own terms, I would love to see you at our workshop series, Craft Your Path to Purposeful Entrepreneurship. I will help you reflect on your past year, to learn from your setbacks and decide on what you want to do more of next. We're going to set intuitive goals that are manageable, but also align with your personality, your ideal lifestyle, and your energy levels. You will transition with ease from being a teacher, guide, mentor, coach, whatever you want to call yourself, to becoming a business owner as well. And for the multilingual speakers among us, I will help you make an informed decision on your language of operation. Because right now you may think that the language you will work with affects your reach, your income, and your ideal clients. Use the link to sign up for a single workshop or join them all and get one for free.